Hello, today I'm in Dodge Ram. In this video I'll show you how to enter vehicle user guide. In the beginning, if you want to enter vehicle user guide online, make sure that you've got subscription activated. Otherwise you won't be able to enter user guide online. But firstly, let's take a look at the screen display, and now you have to go to apps. Find vehicle user guide and enter it. As you can see, I don't have subscription activated, but I can activate it by calling and talking with the representative in the Dodge service. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.